Okay, so for corrections for the Unit 1 constructive response, that was number 12. And if you didn't get a 3, you really should be redoing it. This is part of what will actually be out of 5 points, and it's doubled. So it will be out of 10 points on the STAR test. For this first one, they had us grade only the R and the A out of race. This is what the district asked us to do, and they made it out of 3 points. So again, if you did not get a 3 on it, I would highly recommend that you do corrections. So listen as we go through it, and I'll show you a couple examples of what a good answer would be that would get you a 3. So for constructive response, it says, read the article, One Book, One Camel, based on the information in the article, and write a response to the following. Explain how the Camel Mobile Library has affected the people of Garissa. And I don't know if I'm saying that right, so if I'm not, I'm sorry. So this is our prompt, okay? And then it says, write a well-organized informational composition. So they use all kinds of words here. They might use essay, they might say composition, they might say informational composition, that uses specific evidence from the article to support your answer. So this is where we're doing our race or racist strategy. And here is how it's graded. They're looking for your controlling idea. So do you fully answer the question? That's going to be your controlling idea. Do you organize your writing in a way that makes sense? Do you develop your ideas in detail? Do you use evidence from the selection? And are you using correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar? This is where if you are not good at typing and typing is causing you problems, you want to get on some of those typing apps that are in our Finished Early folder in our student resources, and work on your typing, because they will count off for spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar. And that is whether it is a typing issue or whether it is a you don't know how to capitalize thing issue. So talks about managing your time, and then you're going to write the response. So in this situation, instead of it being 0 to 3 for your ideas and 0 for 2 for conventions, which is the spelling, punctuation, grammar, this time we did 0 for 2 for restating the answer and 0 for 1 for conventions. So here is an example of what would have gotten a 3 for what we graded this for, so just the RNA steps. The Camel Mobile Library provides the people of Garissa with access to books and allows more children the opportunity to learn to read. The library is using camels, something that the people of Garissa are familiar with, to bring a world of stories and important ideas to all people. This has improved literacy rates in the country. So all that is, guys, is a clear restating the question and answering the question. Okay, so this was our prompt. They restated, they used words from the prompt, and then they fully answered the question. And this is what they mean when they say detailed. It's a detailed instruction. Now here, this was actually an ECR on the STAR in the past. So this is what would have gotten a 5 out of 5. And again, for the actual test, it's doubled, so it'd be 10 out of 10 for the full race. Now, we wanted you to write the full race because we're practicing that skill, even though it was only graded for RNA. So you can pause the video and read this. This is what we're looking for. This is where our writing needs to go. So if you did not get a 1 or a 2, I want you to look at your writing and see, where do you think that it could be improved? Is it that you were not well organized? Is it that you had spelling, capitalization, punctuation, or grammar issues? Is it that you didn't develop your ideas? You are just real brief in how you're answering. And as you see, which area you think that you need to improve on, you're going to rewrite that, and that is how you're going to correct number 12 if you did not get a 3 on it. Good luck.